Oh boy, it's time to play my favorite Smissmass map, Wutville.
Payload Wutville is what professionals in this industry would call a bad map. As you can see, it has already been placed in the bad map pile.
Holy Christ, this map, I'm so ready.
First thing you notice when you load into Wutville is just how much of an eyesore it is.
I personally do not find the visuals of this map appealing. Imagine if you were to take one of those ironic, ugly Christmas sweaters and design an entire map to look like one. The buildings all look very tacky and are incredibly noisy.
Look at this man, this is ridiculous.
These sightlines are gigantic. So fucking gigantic that the fog on the map actually sets in before you can even see the other side. This map is one giant sniper's paradise.
In most areas, large portions of the map are rendered despite not being visible.
And you will immediately notice that almost the entire map is being rendered at any given point.
Only 36 maps this year? Why not 50? When does it become too much?
A lot of them are holiday restricted. All of the Halloween maps are, and most of the Smissmass maps will be too. The game is getting bloated with maps.
They're bordering on feeling like bloats because that's all we ever get.
At least you can't do anything horrifically game-breaking like put a sentry gun inside the claustrophobic spawn room with one exit.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?